I got the purple Buddha. Look at how cute this is. And it tastes so good. It has the base of granola and then the acai. And then it has strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and the purple Buddha. This is really good. This is my first stop in Arizona. This is in Phoenix. Berry Berry. Best acai bowls. And it's black owned. I did not expect that I would be able to go actually inside the museum today. So let's take a quick peek. Come on.
And so it was a difficult environment. So those black parents pushed for a better environment.
I went to something like this for youth group, but it's for music though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I am currently at the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona. I just checked out of the first hotel of 3 hotels. Don't even get me started about the accommodations that I have planned for this 5-day Phoenix trip, but I just checked out of my hotel. I'm at the Botanic Garden. Typically, whenever I go to new destinations, I love going to art museums, historical museums, the Botanical Garden, if they end up having one, depending on where I'm going, and of course, Black-owned businesses. The Desert Botanic Garden, the name itself is just so interesting because desert and garden, you don't really think of those two things coinciding together, but let's go inside and see what the Desert Botanical Garden is all about. I am at the Desert Botanic Gardens in Phoenix right now. It is such a beautiful day. I'm so lucky for the weather. It is now January and it is about 74 degrees, whereas in Chicago, it's below zero. So I'm loving it here. Just look at the views. It has been so cool so far. I even got to see a couple of animals. I saw like a hybrid between a mouse, a rat, and a squirrel, and a hummingbird. So stay tuned.